What's going on? This is Kareem and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the brand new Mixars Primo 2-channel Serato DJ controller. So if you guys been on this channel for a while, you know that we already did a complete rundown on this controller back at NAMM. We also did another rundown on this controller at the DJ Expo for last year. And here we finally have one in the flesh. It finally came out. It finally dropped about a month or so ago, and we have one here in the lab. We're going to have the full out review video for you guys within the next 2 weeks, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up if you guys want to see that. But for right now, let's just go on and open the box and see exactly what we get inside. Okay, up first, we have the Mixars Quick Start Guide and Instruction Manual. Alright, on one side of the styrofoam with inside the box, we have a power brick. Yes, you need a brick in order to power this device. Here it is here. And we have different connector leads for it, for the different region that you might be in. And it also comes with your standard USB cable. Alright, so here it is, the Mixars Primo, and it actually looks better than the early prototypes that were at the shows. It has a nice brushed metal top surface, and it does have some plastic in it, but it really feels hefty. It really feels solid, even though it has a nice compact body. It still has pretty big jog wheels. You have your 8 performance pads per each side. On the back, you have channel 1, channel 2 RCAs, so that way you can use this in an external mixer style mode, either phono or line jacks. You also have a balanced XLR. You also have your balanced TRS for the booth. And then you have your unbalanced RCA master outputs as well. And then you have a microphone combo jack on the back, along with USB port, power cable, and your power on and off button. So really nice looking controller. We're definitely going to put this to the complete test in our full out video review. You guys know how we do here on this channel, so make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe so that way you know exactly when the reviews are coming out. And as always, thanks for watching.